Welcome to the Lunch Break Gardener. So summer 2021 I bought this black Hamburg grapevine specifically for the greenhouse. I planted it inside my greenhouse because I don't have a concrete bottom greenhouse and it has access to the soil outside the greenhouse to spread and lay its roots. It's not restricted in any way, and I mulched the bottom with seaweed and I dug in lots of manure. So summer 2022 the grapevine was doing really well and it can reach up to 5 meters, but the way I'm going to train it, this will be completely controlled and suitable for my size of greenhouse. So here we are, winter 2023, January to be specific, and I'm just checking the graft. The trunk is that small piece of wood and these are the 3 canes. Because the trunk of the grapevine is so small, I'm going to use one of the canes to extend the size of the trunk. So because the terminology used for the anatomy of the grapevine is slightly different, it can be quite confusing. So the grapevine has the trunk, and off the trunk are branches which are referred to as canes. Off the canes grow spurs which your fruit will grow on the end of. So I'm going to use this cane to extend my trunk and cut this one and this one. I'm cutting these canes 2 nodules up so that if my main cane fails, my main extension of the trunk fails, I have these 2 which can still grow further canes. So this is what we're left with, but it's really important to note that you should only prune your grapevine in this way during winter when the plant is dormant. I want the height of my trunk on the grapevine to be where the side of the greenhouse meets the roof of the greenhouse, so roughly about here above this node. So to stop that node from drying out, I'm going to cut it 2 centimeters above. So this is now the height of my main trunk. Off this trunk I will get further canes, and I'll select 1 or 2 of those canes to be the fruiting canes for my grapevine. Over the winter I've mulched with seaweed which I've got from just down the road because I live by the sea, and I've left the brown leaves there to feed the soil. It's really important to keep your grapevine well fed and well watered, especially in the summer. So I'm really happy with this grapevine. I really need to implement a structural or support system in there, but that will be for another video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.